We were cruising to our fishing spots when this happened.
All right, Captain. First to make contact with Stand 1. Mark.
Morning. I'm sorry, I can't hear you. The audio is not very good and I have a hard time hearing them because of the noise, but they are very polite and they told us there is a training going on and the area is currently restricted. They required us to head northwest and actually escorted us along the way. They wanted us to go 3 miles before turning around. We noticed also that most of the boats fishing in the area we're heading also were told to leave the place because of military exercise. So the military vessel escorted us a long ways and not sure where we're going to end up, so we decided to turn back and went the opposite direction and look for a different area to fish. In the Key West area, there is a military base and they do hold military exercises in federal waters. So be aware that there are restricted areas. I have been fishing in these waters for the past 5 years and this is the first time I encountered this situation. On this day, I accidentally kept my GoPro on and captured the video.